Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. So the weather is so beautiful, it's so rainy here. I decided to make a pokora. My family love pokora, especially when it's like raining and cloudy. They love pokora, so I decided to share with you guys how I love more onions in my pokora. So in that bowl which you guys see, the glass one is onion, about 1.5 cup, and the cabbage is a 1.5 cup as well, which I'm adding in the onion. And we're going to follow with the potatoes. This is 1 cup of potatoes, which I cut it in small pieces. Have to be thin pieces, guys, must not be thick because it's gonna be difficult to fry. Yeah, so I'm adding my leftovers chicken which I made, and the spices which we're adding is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then in other plate is some green chilies, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna add gram flour, which is a 1.5 cup, and then I'm going to go with my hands and mix it nicely before I add water. We don't need too much water, guys, in this recipe because the vegetables itself has so much water. So I'm gonna just add water, just a little bit of it, maybe 1/2 cup, and combine everything well. Okay, lovelies, I'm done with the pokora mixture. Now I'm just adding oil in the pan, just enough oil to fry my pokoras nicely. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm adding a small portion, and when you have to make sure that the oil is not too much hot, because if it's too much hot, then the pokora is gonna just burn on top and it's not going to be able to cook through. Yeah, so I'm going to fry it until it's light golden in both sides. These are my first pokoras, and I already put for my son because he was like, "Mama, just give me, I want to eat while it's still hot." So this boy, he loves pokoras, guys. So here I was done, and thank you all for watching.